Hi, hello. Today I'm gonna show you how to take this off, that inner door panel, because we need to change the inner door handle. As you can see, it's broken. There are only two screws for these. One is that one. Take the cap off with the flat screw head, and inside of it there are cross head, so you need a pilot. There are two of them, and then underneath you see the groove over there. That's where you can stick your three fingers to pop it out, or two fingers, whatever you want it, and pop the door panel up. And as you can see here, we're ready to take that off. As you can see, that's the first screw. Okay, took that up. That's the second one. You need the pilot for this one, because inside of it, it's a cross, so you need the pilot. That's one, and two at the bottom, as you can see. Okay, at this point we're ready to pop this out. I'm just looking for the groove that I showed you earlier. So I started from there, from the bottom. As you can see, it's popped out. Pop the side out, the top. And just be careful, because there are electrical parts inside of it that you have to unplug. There are only two that you have to unplug. It's very easy. I didn't show it in the video, but it's very easy. Just be careful on the door panel. Don't let it fall on your feet. It might hurt. There are just pins around it, so it's very easy to pop it out. Just be careful not to break it, because you have to buy them. All right. Ta-da! There it is. Those are the electrical part that I told you earlier. So just be careful on that. Don't pull it. Okay, that's the inside. And this is the part that we need to take it off, because we need to change it. Got 4 screws, and this is the brand new one that I ordered from Hyundai. Oh, by the way, this is a Hyundai Elantra 2012 MD. So this is what it looked like. If you have Hyundai Elantra 2012, this is what it looked like. And there it is, folks. I put it back. I'm sorry I didn't take video while putting it back. You just have to do it in reverse. It was raining so hard, so I was afraid to take video. Alright, folks, that's all. It's very easy. I'm no mechanic at all.